Right. Just wanted. Whoa, no. Quickly show something off. Ow. Right. If it's odd that I'm going to the ocean, I have quite a good reason to do so. Here yet? Nope. Not even in the ocean. Here we go. Money farm. So, pretty simple design, built it myself. No copying from YouTube or anything. And if I sit in the water long enough, the monsters of the deep jump up on through the platforms onto them, and boom. Yeah, I can just leave it lying around for 20 minutes, because it turns itself off after 30 minutes, and then, look at that big jellyfish, is just doing backflips. Can't get to me. There's also purple slimes being attracted by me. And other types of slime as well. Get out of here. Die. Die. Thank you. So yeah, I'm just casually sit in the water, waiting for the mobs to appear. I crafted this bucket out of 3 iron ingots. If you tap the water, you can get the water bucket. Yeah, I'll just refill a bit. Why is the water bucket flaming? Okay, there we go. Why is the cat tapping my butty? He's trying to play with the leftovers of my butt. Ooh, what the orca? Didn't build it big enough for you, did I? Gotta go kill. Oh my god, never. I'm feeling these again. You get some magic drops. Did it drop absolutely anything useful? Doesn't look like it. Let's just clear some space. I'll need that. I'll need those as well. How about I can get sharks easy, but yeah, run chunks not needed. That thing didn't drop a thing. Seriously? Wow. Oh, I might have to make it slightly wider for the orcas and sharks. Collect those glow sticks. So, grab my wood and come on, something to get rid of. Glow sticks, I don't really need them. I'll make it even bigger than thought first be. Anyway. What? Why can I not mine it? What's going on? This is odd. Oh, well, I'm waiting for that to be able to respond. I'll just make this even bigger. on. Okay, will he respond? Oh, he's back! Come on then! That's better. Hopefully it'll be big enough for orcas and sharks now. Yeah. That is my money grinder. Take a design off this and rebuild it however you want, and boom! Got yourself a cool little money grinder on the ocean, and you can just sit in and wait for the monsters to come and murder them when they're trapped on that. Or you can just watch the pink jellyfish backflip for fun. Most of them are just backflipping like heck. Well, like him. It's quite a lot now. I've only ever had one thing in here, and one at a time as well, and that's pink jellyfish. Ah, there we go, he stopped backflipping. I can just sit here for ages, and eventually I might even attract an orca or two. Maybe you'll even get trapped on there. I'll have to make this thing slightly higher up though. Little worry of that. Whatever. Wait, why are most of them white and one's just yellow named? Most of them are white named and one's yellow named, I mean. Why did I turn into a bear? I think that guy just turned into a bear. Nice. Okay. Hang on. Of course, I had another idea. If I replace my workbench down, I might just keep it here full time, in fact. I'll need 2 extra platforms. Now slightly lower down. Hey. Lower down still. Fact. Putting it there could probably work. Mob drops chest. Every good mob grinder needs one. Like this one, for example. I enjoy watching those jellyfish backflip. It's funny. Oh, he's going down. Means he can get it. There we go. This is just too easy. The way it's made. Fine, I'll come kill you now. For instance, you can just find the mob drops and boom. yeah, this is where I'll put all my mob drops. I'll keep my crystal shards in my inventory though. Even if they are mob drops. Ugh. Glow stick, shark fin, etc. Maybe even do some boss drops later on. 5 bosses more. Yeah. Good. Show this off. To quickly building it. I was gonna create a pirate ship, to be perfectly honest, but I suck at copying it off YouTube. Oh dear. Yeah. That's pretty much the mob grinder. And I can also watch Pink Jellyfish backflipping. Anyway. Actually, might want to build the mob area in over to where that pink jellyfish is, because yeah, he's like, come on, I want to get you through the wall. Yeah, that wasn't funny at all. Yeah. Hey, there he is. He's from here. Guess that's it for now. Yeah.